make this one very short. I'll just be talking of how I lost every single thing I had. Like every single thing I had trading meme coin. I initially started with 40 $40, which was very, 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 very small. And when I lost it in a week, I funded my phantom again with about $80, which I still lost it in 2 weeks. You see, no one talks about the frustrating and deepest dark side of this meme coin space. Most times I feel like 70% of the meme coin traders that are very profitable are gamblers and scammers somehow, because most times it's, I don't know how to put it, but it gets frustrating at some point. Yes, it gets frustrating, the ups and downs. It gets very, 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 very frustrating that I have to pause and think of it like there should be other ways of making money. Like this is not the only space. As in the whole part, the whole field of crypto, trading meme coin is not the only. No, I don't think so. So I just made up my mind to give myself little break. Then I come back after 1 week, funded another 50, lost it. This month has been the most red month, and I've not even made a single video. I made one video challenging myself doing a 90-day challenge. That was the first fund I funded my account $40, and I lost it. Then after it, I don't wanted to. I said I promised myself that I'll be journaling all my trades here, but when you are losing, you can't journal what you are losing, so you just you don't want to be called a loser or something like that, so you just want to show only the win part of it. So since there was no win part of it, I don't wanted to show any part of it at all. So I was trying so hard to bounce back in a way when I come up on YouTube and be like, yes, I made profit, but unfortunately, I lost every single. And the more I try to revenge back, the more I lose. And most times, I know people will come up like, hey, but maybe you don't know how to trade, or nah, small, not like that. Trading meme coin is actually profitable, very profitable, but it's more like gambling most of the time. Most of the time. And this Robin Hood, I feel like it's just overhyped. Yeah, so currently I might still be trading meme coin, but I will not be trading meme coin with 100% of what I have. Never. I might be trading meme coin with like 20% of my portfolio. My the remaining 80% might be going on stocks and normal crypto coins that are actually profitable, well analyzed before buying a single coin or stock. So that would be what I've been. And the other thing I will be letting people know is never expect good things. Yeah, always expect the worst, because when you expect good things, it will not actually give you the space for you to come up with the possibility of you failing. When you expect good things, the only thing it does to your brain is that it gives your brain the space of how you react whenever that good thing comes. That is the only that is only what your brain will be occupied with. But when you are expecting the worst, most times, higher percent of the chances, your brain will be occupied with the possibilities of that worst thing happening. So, and when you are actually occupied with the possibility of that worst thing happening, you will want to do everything right not to make that worst thing happen. So that was me thinking of the best that will ever happen me trading Bitcoin. I was always seeing myself in a luxurious yacht, on my head though, like I will I will flip this $40 to 40K, and and I was just left out without thinking about the main basics of meme coins. I was just most time trading blindly, gambling. I had good winning streaks in a day. There was this day I've made like 2x of my whole portfolio, and I, it's very very funny. It's very very funny, and most times when you lose, like when you lose everything, I don't know. It's there are two different things when you lose a single trade and when you lose every single thing you have. Yeah, there are two different things. When you lose everything, you'll be somehow more satisfied, more calm, more peaceful, and you want to think further. I don't know for others, most people might rage themselves, but so all I'm saying is that if you are getting into meme coin for the first time, you have to think twice. Don't put all you have. Do not put all you have. If you are even thinking of going all in, you can put like 80 or 70% of all what you have on your portfolio and trade at least 10 or 5% of what you have is in a single trade, and know what you are getting into, because there are a lot of rug everywhere. So that's just it. It's really really difficult. So for now, I'll be going into stocks and crypto, and I'll be talking more about it. So we keep building. We keep building.